Pope Francis recently met in St. Peter's Square with tens of thousands of pilgrims from all over Italy. They are part of a lay Catholic group using a hands-on approach to spreading the gospel. EWTN Vatican Bureau Chief Andreas Thonhauser has more.
Just now, passing through your midst, I met eyes filled with joy and hope. Thank you for this intense and beautiful embrace.
Pope Francis met in St. Peter's Square with 50,000 members of Azione Cattolica, Catholic Action, coming from all over Italy. Founded in 1868, this popular lay association provides a pathway for human and spiritual development to individuals of all ages, rooted in the gospel. With Open Arms was the title of the gathering held at the Vatican, aiming to emphasize the importance of walking together and engaging with today's men and women. In his address, the Holy Father reflected on the value of embracing one another and the power of his gesture to bring people together.
Quando l'abbraccio si trasforma in un pugno è molto pericoloso.
When an embrace turns into a fist, it becomes very dangerous. Often, wars originate from missed or rejected embraces, followed by prejudices, misunderstandings, suspicions, until the other is seen as an enemy. Unfortunately, all of this is happening right before our eyes, in too many parts of the world.
Pope Francis also spoke about the embrace of Christ and the saving embrace of faith. Jesus showed us that embrace, the Holy Father continued, by dying on the cross and giving his life for us.
Brothers and sisters, let us allow ourselves to be embraced by him, like children. Let us allow ourselves to be embraced by him like children. Each of us has something childlike in our hearts that needs an embrace. Let us allow ourselves to be embraced by the Lord. Thus, in the embrace of the Lord, we learn to embrace others.
The Pope urged everyone to make charity the guiding principle, capable of influencing every endeavor and service, to remain faithful to the association's vocation and history, and to implement tangible signs of change across all aspects of social life. In Rome, Andreas Thonhauser, EWTN News Nightly.